Hi. simpliRP Business Control and Management System has a very unique, versatile and informative dashboard. Users can see how many tasks or work items they have completed. How many pending tasks are there? Specifically, how many are pending more than 7 days. Then users can see month-wise statistics. Also users can see how many sent for action, but still pending. Also they can see the graphical representation of pending and completed work items. They can also check the document flow path. Here, they can also check the full path details. Users can initiate a task from the dashboard. They can only initiate the document for which they are eligible for. Further, users can send also message to common message board to all users. simpliRP BCMS dashboard is an effective business activity monitor. simpliRP Business Control and Management System is the easiest way to manage your business process management. Thank you.